নিত্যানন্দ প্রস্তুত করেন। শুনিয়া জীবের প্রশ্ন নিত্যানন্দ রায় বলেন গুণ সত্য বৈষ্ণবতম নদী বৃন্দাবন নবদ্বীপ ধাম অজস্র আনন্দময় জীবের বিশ্রাম শুদ্ধ নির্মল সদাবাস করে হিতা কৃষ্ণ পরিবার গোস্বামী ask some question to Nityananda Prabhu. In this way he says, চরণ ধরিয়া বলে কথা একার আছে মোর শুন প্রভু সর্বরদ্ধ সর্বসরৎসার এই নবদ্বীপে বাস করে বহুজন সবে কেন কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি না করে অর্জন Jiva Goswami was asking question. I have a doubt. And Navadvip is Sarvo Saratsar. Navadvip, essence of all holy pilgrimage, essence of pilgrimage. So, whoever is living here in Navadvip Dham, many people living in Navadvip Dham, Sobe kano Krishna Bhakti na kore arjan. Why they are not able to get Krishna's devotion? Not everyone. Why? No, everyone not getting Krishna's devotion. Clear? This is the question. Thame boishe tobu keno aparad roy. Amar hoilo ebe bishama sangshay. কিসে তবে নিশ্চিন্ত হবে বিষ্ণুজন বল প্রভু বিশ্বধাম নিত্য নিরঞ্জন Although people are living in Vrindavan, why they are living in Vrindavan, sitting in Vrindavan, staying in Vrindavan, everything. But why? Tobu keno aparad roy. Why they still, their offense still pulling them away from bhakti. Because Amar hoilo ebe bisham asangshay. Now I have so much doubt about it. If Navadvip is such a great place, why? Still people are committing so many offenses. Why people is not behaving like a Vaishnava? Why? I can give an example. I think someone asking me, it was 1992 or 1991. Just day before our Gurudeva's appearance day. Day before. It was so much rain. Then after evening, the rain stopped. Around 9 p.m., so I'm preparing Guru Maharaj's mosquito net. That time so much mosquito here. At that time, so many dogs are barking. So I just arranging this mosquito setup. The Guru Maharaj will sleep without problems of mosquito. At the dogs barking, then Guru Maharaj asked me, how many dogs are here living? 7, 8 dogs. Because we have no boundary. All street dog Huh? Here. No. All street dogs are here. Because of rain and I have no boundary, our baranda is there. This is a good place for them. We are also sleeping there. We have no room. So he asked me that how many dogs are here? Then I explained that 7, 8 maximum. I don't know exactly, but 7, 8 maximum. Then he says, how you are, no, all the living beings, whoever live in Navadvip Dham, you have to know they are devotee. They are devotee. So when you cook, how you are counting the heads, maybe 8 people, 9 people, 10 people. You have to count in the dog also. Cook for them also. Feed them. It will consider like a Vaishnav Seva. Right? Even the tree, once it was coconut tree. Somehow or other, our Dayal Prabhu cut the tree. Because when you going to make a room, or a kitchen room, with actual terracotta roof, not like concrete roof, terracotta roof, tiles. So he just cut one this much size coconut tree. The Gurudev, after finishing, because Gurudev used to stay in the that's only 2 rooms are there. There are no 4 rooms. Only 2 rooms. He was in the ground floor. After finishing his Gayatri, he coming out of his room, and he said, this place was jungle. Now is clean. Who did so? There was also coconut tree there. Where is the coconut tree? Who cut the coconut tree? Did you cut the coconut tree? No. Dayal Prabhu cut it. Sabbonas. He expressed such a Sabbonas means everything destroyed now. Sabbonas means, sorrow means all, Nas means destroy. So then I was thinking, what happened? Then he says, same thing. In the holy dham, all the living being, tree also one living being. You cut this, that means you are chopping the devotee. And especially coconut tree considered like a Brahmin. So I am actually leader of this place, master of the place. So all the sinful reaction come to me. You cut coconut tree means you just kill Brahmin, Brahmhotta. To kill Brahmin, what the consequence? I'll get it. Today I want to do my atonement. So what he does is actually he was just keeping fast the whole day. And just like Ekadashi, dry fast. 91 year old, 1991 means 93-year-old. At that time, Gurudev was 93 old. He kept full day dry fast. Problem, we cut coconut tree. Coconut tree is considered like a Brahmin. And this coconut tree in Holy Dham, very dangerous. He say like that. So look, কিসে হয় নিশ্চিন্ত হইবে বিষ্ণু জয় বল প্রভু বিশ্বধাম নিত্য নিরঞ্জন. how people can be free from all anxiety in this material world. It was a question of Jiva Goswami Part 2, Lord Nityananda. শুনিয়া জীবের প্রশ্ন নিত্যানন্দ রায় বলেন নিগুড় তত্ত্ব বৈষ্ণব সভায় নিগুড় means very deep philosophy explained by Lord Nityananda Maharaj.
Maharaj.
No, Maharaj. অজস্র শুনো জীব বৃন্দাবন নবদ্বীপ ধাম listen Jiva Goswami বৃন্দাবন and নবদ্বীপ ধাম অজস্র আনন্দময় জীবের বিশ্রাম uncountable bliss or unlimited bliss, unlimited Anandamaya Jivera Vishram. This is the perfect place. Take rest. People living entity can take rest properly. With blissfully can take rest here. Both places. Shuddha Jivgan Chara Prakritir Par Sada Bas Kare Heta Krishna Parivar. Shuddha Jiv means who is completely free from material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, desire. Who is completely free from Vishaya. No attachment of Vishaya. Vishaya means? Hey, Lakshman, Vishaya means?
Object of
Sense enjoyment object. How we are able to enjoy our senses with 5 organs, right? Chakshu, Karna, Nasika, Jiva, Tok. Eyes, ear, nose, your tongue, and touch. That's why we are able to, we are enjoying, right? So those how much we are holding those things, that much our mind become dirty. With dirty mind, we are not able to enter. Who says so? Narottam Das Thakur says. বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন কবে হাম হে রব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন. When I become free from all the sense enjoyment object, and as soon as the sense this off, become free from that, then we will be, or our mind will be completely pure. Then we are eligible to enter Vrindavan, not now. শুদ্ধ জীবগণ ছাড়া প্রকৃতির পার, who is pure, whose life is pure, like Rasa Vilasana's life is pure, right? Explain. The pravda ni pravda, completely. Let me know. Huh? Aniruddha? Anyway, no one want to share. শুদ্ধ জীবগণ ছাড়া প্রকৃতির পার, because with the dirty mind we are not able to enter to a spiritual abode. The Lord gave us the opportunity to chant and cure the dirt of our heart. and we can enter to Vrindavan Dham. Lord gave us all option, but we are always misusing our free will. Therefore, we are in the trap of karma. Just Lord Nityananda said to Jiva Goswami, Dhamer Sharup, Ei Dham Nitya Dham Vishuddha Chinmay Jaro Desh Kal Dekheta Paya Parajay এ ধামের দেশকাল নিত্যানন্দময় চিদানন্দময় সর্বধর্ম জড়ধর্ম বিপর্যয় সদা লক্ষ্যয়। This holy dham, Vrindavan Dham, Navadvip Dham, is Vishuddha, completely pure, Chinmay, transcendental, Jaro Desh Kal, Desh Heta, Paya Parajaya. If you discriminate, he is Brahmin, he is not Brahmin, but here, whoever are able to chant pure name once, so much, his life will turn completely pure. And not only that, person can person can cure all their sinful reaction. Sinful reaction, completely free from sinful reaction. So then he is eligible to enter to this means place. Kal means time, and its circumstances all are representing trans. So Jiva Goswami was asking this: why people are here, but they are not spiritually inclined? This is Lord Nityananda's answer. Grihodar nod nodi kano nochotu chottor Chinmay sakal jano oti monohar. Everything. Griho, house, dwar means door. Nod nodi means river. And kanon means garden, chattar means that area. So all this area surrounding the holy dham is always pure. But activity not to do. Like your nice garden, nice fertilized land, but you are putting some tree, which tree is poisonous tree. What is going to happen? That poisonous tree will grow up or not? Grow up. Just like in this way, Lord Nityananda try to make him understand, try to make Jiva Goswami understand. Chinmay sakal jano oti monohar সেই তো আনন্দধাম প্রকৃতির পান। অচিন্ত কৃষ্ণের শক্তি পরম উদার, সেই শক্তি ক্রমে না ধাম হেতা অবতার। আচ্ছা, ধাম is existential potency, এটি অর্থ নিত্যানন্দ, মানে সন্দিনী শক্তি। In order to জীবের নিস্তার জন্য কৃষ্ণ ইচ্ছাময়। So in order to deliver all of us, Krishna appear here in this Kali Yuga in the form of Lord Chaitanya. অপ্রাকৃত ধামে প্রাকৃত জীবের প্রতি গতি নাই, যার ধাম কভু নহে জড় অপস্থিতি, জড় সন্ধ আচার উপর ধামের উপরে জড় মায়াপতি জাল আচ্ছা দিয়া রাখে এই ধাম উদাহরণ ধাম চিরকাল। Actually in this material world there is a cartoon on the top of the material world, means hidden truth always hide, and temporarily what is turning to give us, put us in distress, we have so much interest. ধামের উপরে জড় মায়া পাতি জাল আচ্ছা দিয়া আচ্ছা দিয়া রাখে এই ধাম জিজ্ঞাসা কাল, মানে covered. What covered? Covered with cartoon. Therefore you can see many people came here. There is a pickpocket there. I want to explain pickpocket. Many people come, and many also many also devotee also come. But don't say everybody are devotee. You respect them from far, but we're supposed to respect the word accordingly. অভক্তে ধাম বাস শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য যার নাহিক সম্বন্ধ, জালের উপরে বাস করে সেই তত্ত্ব মনে ভাবে আমি আছি নবদ্বীপপুরে, পৌর মায়া মুগ্ধ করে রাখে তারে দূরে। Without relationship with Gauranga Mahaprabhu, that it is impossible for anyone to stay in Holy Dham, in Navadvip Dham. মনে ভাবে আমি আছি নবদ্বীপপুরে, মনে ভাবে আমি আছি নবদ্বীপপুরে, পৌর মায়া মুগ্ধ করি রাখে তারে দূরে। In mind people can say, devils people can say that they are in Navadvip. But reality, Mayadevi covered in their eyes, covered, and unable to realize the Lord's charisma. If they will not accept Lord existence. Oromaya mugha koye rakhe tare dure. So Pauramaya, he makes them happy and keep those person away from Holy Dham. Sometimes say people are coming Holy Dham. Oh, I went there. I got so many piety, so much story that they go. Piety. Pious activity. So they are thinking, I am Holy Dham, I am doing so good. But Mayadevi covered in that eyes. Not jal, net one. But covered, here cover.
Maharaj, what is your anxiety? They like you to take rest.
Oh no. So just I don't finish this. One. সাধু সঙ্গের প্রভাবই সম্বন্ধ যদি কোনো ভাগ্যোদয়ে সাধু সঙ্গ পায় তবে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য সম্বন্ধ আসে তার. If anybody fortunate, they will get sadhu sangha, association of sadhu. Then that person establish the relation with Sri Krishna Chaitanya. সম্বন্ধ নিগুড় তত্ত্ব বল্লভ নন্দন সহজে না বুঝে বদ্ধ জীব সেই জন. সম্বন্ধ is নিগুড় তত্ত্ব, means truth, no relation, no separation. So the নিগুড় তত্ত্ব is very deep connection. সম্বন্ধ means deep connection. নিগুড় তত্ত্ব. So he বল্লভনন্দন ও জীব গোস্বামী পাদ সহজে না বুঝে বদ্ধ জীব সেই জন. It is not possible to understand for a materialistic person that how Mayadevi covered or putting net. There is a Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in one of his songs, আর কেন মায়া জালে পড়িতেছ জীব মেন. Although we understand this is the consequence, but still people are doing nasty activities, wrong things. Stay in Holy Dham doing wrong things. You can say pickpocketed here. We are coming here to pray Lord, or we are coming here to make our life spiritually more advanced. Or someone coming here, how to develop their pickpocket capability. See that. Although they are doing so, but we are not able to understand who is doing that. Bag just now here, now bag disappeared. So different people, different vision, they're coming here, different vision. Everything is just like a Mayadevi tricks, Mayadevi's net. Oh no, not tomorrow. Anyway, today I'll give class. But I will class at 4:30. But I will go up to after 2:30 with Sundar Gopal Prabhu here. Sundar Gopal here. Because I'm not able to see. Sundar Gopal Prabhu, he is promising me that he will take me to exhibition. Where? ISKCON temple. He will take me there. 2:30. TOBP. So you'll go. Okay. So whoever wants to come with me 2:30 and come with under the guidance of Sundar Gopal will go. But no. Did you convey the message? They are ready? Accept us? How much they will charge? They are without ticket. Without ticket, it is allowed. Hello?
Was there, Sundar Gopal Prabhu already explained our all exhibition.
Because Sundar Gopal Prabhu agreed to take us now because Subhangi Devi here. Right? Actually, he wanted to show Subhangi. We are like, So anyway, this is and also tomorrow, 4:30. 4:30 morning. Whoever wants to visit Ekachakra.
I've only collected 7 names for the non-AC bus.
Yeah, it's
You have 4 names.
11 names.
Okay.
We didn't put my name.
4:30,
So whoever wants, y'all can speak to me for the non-AC bus after this.
Is the name?
Yes, no.
So 4:30. If we late, then everything late. And also we are invited by one restaurant, devotee restaurant. They want to offer us lunch, but with dosha, idli, without no chili at all, such as that. That this near Kalban, near hospital means Haribol. Hospital means there is a ISKCON hospital, ISKCON not hospital. Just opposite of hospital, there is a devotee restaurant. I forget the name of the restaurant. A big actually restaurant started from there. Restaurant started from road. They request me, please come. We will not charge anything. That is that actually they were just 3 years. Last night she came. Also today morning they came. So idli, dosha, all the sambar, no without chili, anything. Coconut chutney, everything. Whatever South Indian food. Also for me they will cook. They promise they will cook for me. So I will also all will get down there. I say 40 people tomorrow, 4:30 morning start. If we start 4:30 morning, most probably most probably we'll reach there around 7:30 to 8 in between. Then 9 o'clock we'll start from 1 hour darshan, enough. 9 o'clock we start from there, then reach at 12 to 12:30. Then take prasadam there. Take prasadam there, in that restaurant. So whoever wants to, that a devotee restaurant. A devotee belongs to our temple. The devotee belongs to me. Because he's happy to leave India.